Welcome to Chapter 5 of the Python Basics tutorial series. So what exactly is a module? Simply put, a module is just a .py file, a Python file that contains functions, classes, or variables you want to reuse. Imagine you write a fantastic utility function. Instead of copying and pasting it into every script, you put it in a module and import it wherever you need it. That's the beauty of modular code: clean, reusable, and maintainable. Python gives you several ways to import modules. The simplest is import math. This brings in the whole math module and you use it as math.sqrt. If you only need one function, use from math import sqrt, then just call sqrt directly. In data engineering, you'll constantly see import numpy as np and import pandas as pd. Those as aliases keep your code short and readable. Pro tip: avoid from module import star. In production, it makes code hard to read. Python comes with a rich standard library, hundreds of modules, all free, no installation needed. The math module gives you square roots, logarithms, and mathematical constants like pi. The OS module handles file system operations, listing directories, getting environment variables. Datetime is your friend for timestamps and time calculations and pipelines. Random is great for testing with sample data. JSON handles serialization and deserialization. We'll explore this deeply in the next chapter. And sys gives you access to Python internals like command line arguments. Let's see modules in action. In this demo, I'll show you how to create your own module, import it in another file, use built-in modules like math and datetime, and use an alias for a third-party library. Watch how cleanly the code organizes when you use modules properly. When your project grows beyond a few files, you'll want packages. A package is simply a folder with an __init___.py file. This file tells Python to treat this folder as a module collection. For third-party packages, pip is your package manager. Pip install pandas gets you pandas. Simple as that. But here's the critical best practice: always use virtual environments. Create one with python-env, activate it, then install packages. This keeps each project's dependencies isolated. Trust me, future you will thank present you. In this code demo, we'll create a simple package structure, a folder with an init file and two modules inside it. Then we'll import from the package just like a pro. You'll also see how requirements.txt helps teams share dependencies. Excellent work on Chapter 5. Let's recap. A module is a .py file imported with import or from import. Use as aliases to keep code readable. Python's standard library is massive: math, OS, datetime, JSON, sys, all free. Packages are folders with an init file for organizing large projects. And pip installs third-party packages, always inside a virtual environment. Coming up next, Chapter 6, File Handling. We'll read and write CSV and JSON files like a pro. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.